Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in a spreadsheet. Let's go to our computer. And I'm going to open up Microsoft Excel by clicking on my Start button. Going to All Programs. Let's find Microsoft Office and click on Excel. Now I'm going to type in some data into a small spreadsheet. I'm just going to say employees and their number of sales. I'm going to list out a few employees. And the number of sales that they've had for this quarter. Now, I have my little spreadsheet created, and I want to create a chart, actually a pie chart based upon this data. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the very first row. I'm going to hold my mouse button down, and I'm going to drag until it selects all of the data in this spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go to the Insert tab at the top, and under Charts, I'm going to hold my mouse over Pie, and I'm going to select the type of pie chart that I'd like to put in. I'm going to go with a pie chart with a listing of the number of sales. Now my employees are about equal on there, so I'm going to make one that has a little less inequality. Just drop one down a bit, go to Insert. I'm going to choose a different type of pie chart this time. And as you can see, it is accurately displaying, sort of in a pie chart form, the number of sales that my employees had. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a pie chart in a spreadsheet.